Thank you for buying this 21940-72 metal art from Fixture Displays. This art measures about 5.5 by 5.5 inches. It stands on its own, made from sheet metal, powder-coated black. This abstract, small artwork captures the essence of your beloved dog, and it's very easy to place either on your car dash, on your tabletop, your bookshelf, or even on your nightstand or your vanity. This is lightweight and easy to mount even on your wall, for example. It's made from sheet metal, powder-coated black. It's a lovely piece of art that can keep you company. In this family of products, 21940, you can type in this number on fixturedisplays.com to find many other designs that may touch your heart. In addition, we offer a wide variety of business and consumer products on fixturedisplays.com. Like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback, product review. Thank you.